Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a tutorial for the crown. You're gonna need some tape measure, pliers, wire, some paper tape and air dry clay. First you need to measure the size of your head, then you take the measure and get the thicker wire to be long enough that it will sit on your head properly. I wanted that my crown looks like a jaw with crystal teeth, so I'm using quartz crystal. It is ethically sourced here locally. These are the pieces that my friend who is a crystal collector doesn't need. You can also use fake crystals, pieces of glass, stones, some plastic ornaments, whatever do you want. crystals or your decorations in the wire and fasten it on the circle from thicker wire. I also used some paper tape to really secure them. was clay. I just wrapped the whole thing in clay and tried to sculpt it around the crystals. After the crown is completely dry, you can sand the bottom part to be more rounded. I personally didn't remember to do that beforehand, so it's flat on the bottom. Then I took black acrylic paint to do the first layer. for some details. You can also glue any other decoration, but that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. It was pretty quick. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Next week I will share with you another Plan With Me video. I will make some pages for February. You can find links to my supplies and links to my socials in the description. I also link the YouTube channel that I'm helping with about living on a small farm in the hills. And you can find my brother's new Minecraft YouTube channel. So check that if you're interested. Have a magical day, and I will see you in the next one.